So here we have 12-inch pots, and what we like to do at Parkway is fill them up with our potting soil close to the rim of the top, and then we use these aquafoam bricks, which we sell as well. I've got one filled, my starter pot. What I do is I draw concentric rings just to make the placement a little more easy and even. It works out nicely in the end. This is cedar. It makes a great trailer, you can see here. So this is I'm going to put on the very outer edge. We got white pine here. It's got great smell, first of all, and it's got nice texture. It varies from the cedar, and a nice blue tinge too. So we're gonna put that as our next layer, and I'm gonna work it in using our circles here. This is called Oregonia. It's kind of like a variegated boxwood look, and it's got the nice variegation, the yellow, so that's a nice contrast with the blue that we got here in the pine. So I'm going to do the same thing, go around in a circle, and fill this container out. Next I'm going to switch it up with some different texture and another blue look. This is fir. So it's got that nice glaucous underside, which is nice and blue, so I like to actually use that side showing. Let's turn it upside down. The fir is really good because it's quite dense, so it's a nice filler for your pot. I like to use lots of this for my arrangements. Kind of see the bullseye there that I made. At this point, it's when I like to put the thriller in. So here we're using curly willow. It's got really nice natural color. I'm going to start with my first piece. I generally grab the largest piece, or the piece with the thickest diameter to start, and I put that direct center. It's in nice and tight. And then from that, I like to take the remaining pieces and work my way around the center piece. So here I actually have, this is called incense cedar. It's got these awesome little tips, and it also smells lovely. So I like to traipse these over. Again, it's complementing the blue texture we have here from the fir, and it's just gonna kind of spill over again. Okay, so it's starting to look like a full Christmas arrangement. I did have some extra pine pieces left that I just filled in, put in the center just to finish it off. If you don't have any extra greens, don't be scared to go in your yard and trim some evergreens, and just use anything the original for filler. But here we have it. So we're almost done. The last thing I'm going to add is some cones for a little bit of contrast. And we got some of these red berries, which would go really nicely against the willow here and the incense cedar, and also against the blue. It just really makes the arrangement pop. Before you put it outside for everyone to enjoy, you do want to water your container in. The greens are taking up some moisture from the soil and the aquafoam. It'll keep them going longer. And also what we spray here is a product called Wilt Proof. It's made out of tree resins and saps. It's quite natural, and it prolongs the season of your arrangement. It gets you well into March and April. So good luck. Come in, try your own arrangement, have fun with it.